ninth graders, we are going to start our play Romeo and Juliet today. As you know, Romeo and Juliet is a famous play written by William Shakespeare. Today we are going to be reading the first act, scene 1. It's quite short, and as you already know, this is a story about two families. The families are the Montagu family and the Capulet, and the setting is Verona, which is in Italy, and this happened over 500 years ago. When the play begins, there has been an argument, a fight between these two families for many, many years. Our first scene is going to be on a street in Verona. Here's a picture of a fight that's breaking out. You can see here the characters have large swords because this is how they would fight 500 years ago. Act 1, Scene 1, Trouble in Verona. A street in Verona, Italy. Some of Lord Montagu's and Lord Capulet's servants are fighting and shouting. We hate the Montagus! Capulet is a better lord than Montagu. We'll kill you for that! Death to the Capulets! Benvolio entering. What's happening? Stop! Stop fighting! Benvolio tries to stop them, but they go on fighting.
Benvolio, what are you doing? Fighting our servants? Turn and fight me.
You're wrong, Tybalt. I don't want to fight anyone. I'm just trying to keep the peace.
That's not true. You Montagus are all the same. I'm going to kill you.
Tybalt pulls out his sword and starts fighting with Benvolio. Entering with Lady Capulet.
Look, the Montagus are trying to kill Tybalt. Quickly, bring me my sword.
A sword? Don't be stupid, Capulet. You're too old. You haven't used a sword for 20 years. Lord Montagu.
Look, the Capulets are making trouble again.
What did you say, Montagu? Trouble? The man that started the fight was your nephew, Benvolio.
He starts to shake Lord Montagu.
Let me go, Capulet, you old criminal.
Criminal? Old? I'll kill you!
Entering.
Stop, Montagu! Capulet, stop it immediately! Tybalt, Benvolio, stop fighting now, or I'll execute all of you.
The fighting stops and everyone is quiet.
Listen, I'm very angry. Verona is rich, beautiful town, but there is fighting in the streets nearly every day. Montagu, Capulet, come here. You must tell your families to stop fighting. Do you understand?
Yes,
sir.
Why is there this argument between your families? How did it start?
I can't remember, sir.
The argument started a long time ago, sir.
The fighting must stop. We must have peace in Verona.
Prince Aeschylus leaves. Then Lord and Lady Capulet, Tybalt, and all the servants leave.
The prince is right, Benvolio.
I agree. I was trying to stop the fighting when Tybalt and the others arrived. Have you seen our son Romeo? He wasn't in the fight. I'm very happy about that.
I saw Romeo earlier today. It was about 4 o'clock in the morning and still dark. He was walking alone through the woods.
What's the matter with Romeo? He's very quiet these days. Sometimes he stays in his room all day. I think he's unhappy about something. Will you try to talk to him, Benvolio?
Look, here he is now. I'll talk to him. Lord and Lady Montagu leave. Romeo enters. What's wrong, Romeo? What's the matter with you?
I'm in love, Benvolio. I'm in love with a beautiful girl called Rosaline.
Then why are you unhappy?
Because she doesn't love me. She doesn't love anyone. She says that she's never going to marry.
There are hundreds of beautiful girls in Verona. If she doesn't love you, forget about her.
I can't do that. Rosaline is the most wonderful girl in the world. I'll never love anyone else.